8112 Mustang Hill Court. We're right towards the end of the cul-de-sac. It looks like the fascia could be painted. Four windows in here, need 2.5-inch faux wood blinds. The baseboards look funny. Like they're not actual baseboards. Weird touching up there. The walls are very close to what we typically do, just a little darker. Obviously we need a fridge. But the other appliances look good. Undermount sink, gooseneck, that's great. The kitchen cabinets were painted. So we need 3 blinds in this room and a vertical. We have tons of concrete and grass. So one less thing that the buyer has to do. And we have screens on almost all of the windows on this side of the house. And we could remove the satellite dish. So looking at the grout is showing like black here, black there, you know, just spots throughout. Not sure why. We have an upgraded fan. So I believe we're at 4, 3, 7, 2, 9. I believe we're at 9 windows. Oh, and this does not have a closet, so that could be an office. I believe we're at 10 windows. This picture window may not need a blind. That's a property manager decision, but it may. So I'm going to go ahead and count 11, 12, 13. Great loft area. 14, 15, 16, 17, if I'm counting correctly. Carpet looks good. Paint looks good. Baseboards look a lot better upstairs. They did the same thing, whatever they did, but they did a better job upstairs. We need to replace this with tile. Shower rod. These handles don't match. Oof. Okay, I forgot the window count right now, but this is a very large master closet that needs a blind. Laundry upstairs. I like the laundry upstairs, so I don't have to lug it upstairs and downstairs. It also means you have to have the washer professionally installed. You don't want any leaks. Everything looks good in here, just need a blind. So when you look across this way, you can see that they've done a poor job of patching, but I'm not sure how big of a deal that is. And we need tile in here as well. Okay, the light doesn't work in here, but we need a shower rod. It's kind of weird how you have this extra space here, but it's for the extra bedrooms, so. Cute little baby fan, need a blind. They painted over the closet caps here, which eventually is gonna like come off, but not a big deal. That's it.